Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time and right now I'm back. If this is the first time you're watching my video, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell so as soon as I post you get a notification and you see what is happening here. Okay, so, and if you've always been watching my videos, if you've watched my videos before, thank you so much. Let's just get into this video. This video is going to be about the Colourpop x Shayla. No, it's Shayla x Colourpop collection. And if you've already read my blog, you know I posted that on the blog. You can check it out. It's jesiscah.com. I've already done my face and you've seen this on my channel several times. So I decided to skip this step because it's not going to really add anything to the look since it's about Shayla x Colourpop. So hit this button to watch that, how I do my eyebrows, my face, my highlights, my contour, everything. Just hit the button and you'll be directed there. So let's get it. So this is how the packaging looks like. It's so beautiful, like it's just gorgeous. This is a rose gold splash, a splash of paint, I think. Yes. And then when you open the box, the splash is also on the back, and then the products are in here. So this is the eyeshadow palette, and these are the lipsticks, and this is the lip gloss, and these are the highlighters. So yeah, so let's just start with this look. So starting off with the palette, so these are how the colors look like. So all the names are written at the bottom of the eyeshadow, which is amazing, and it has a mirror. That is just something else. We all need eyeshadow palettes with a mirror, so when you just carry it along you can have a mirror and then just use it. So I'm going to start off by using a crease color, and this is my G170 from Evita Joseph. I'll be using Cultured, this one, in my crease. I thought it wouldn't show up on my skin, but it's showing up. It's just giving me a nice brown color, like flashlight color, not too dark, not too light. So I'm going to take thick and put that in my crease as well, just a little bit above my crease. And I'm going to go in with Revenge now in the crease. That is very intense. That color is very intense, so you have to be careful when using it. And now I'm going to go in with Played Out. I'm focusing on the middle of the crease. The outer corner and the inner corner. So now I'm going to go in with Stallion. This one. It looks like a blue with some glitters, but then I'm told it comes off black. So I'm putting that right in the outer V. That is very dark. Now I'm going to tap the SS on the inner corners and then just drag it on the top a little, just to intensify it. I forgot to put setting powder underneath my eye, but it hasn't been any fallout so far, so we thank God for that. So now I'm going to take my concealer and just cut my crease. And now taking Unbothered, this one here, I'm going to tap this all over the lid. I thought this would be white, but it's coming off like a champagne color instead, not so white. Yeah, it's going on. It's really beautiful. Like, it's going on as like a champagne color. I'm going to switch to a really small brush, the G220 Classic Crease by Owusu-Ansah. I'm going to take Titus and I'm going to put this. I'm just brushing this over and into the crease. I'm going to do the same thing here. So I'm putting it on top, right on top of the Unbothered, and then dragging it a little, fading it out into that. I just wanted to have that transition. Yeah. Now that that is done, I'm going to take Thick and brush that over this as well. I didn't even wet my brushes, and like, see how pigmented that is. Now I'm going to line my eyes. I'm going to take Titus and smudge that all over my bottom line. I'm going to take Stallion, again, this one, the dark one, and put that right up to my bottom line, like right after my waterline. I'm putting that there. Taking my mascara, I'm just going to give my lash some volume. And now I'm going to throw on some Adele Wispy lashes. Now that my lashes are on, we're going to go ahead and put on the highlighter. So this is how the highlighters look like. They come in these containers with the names at the bottom, Boomin' and Pose. So I'm going to put on Boomin' first. Okay, now I have to take off this thing here. Ouch. Taking my Owusu-Ansah highlighter, classic highlighter. I'm going to tap. Well, let me swatch it a little bit on my hands too. So that is Boomin'. Ooh, that is Boomin'. And I'm going to put on Pose on the other side, so we see how that looks. I'm going to put that right on top, so you see. There's this rose gold thing going on. So this is Pose, and Pose has more of a rose gold, like a bronzy undertone thing going on. I think that is more for the deeper skin tones. That is really bright. That is Pose, and that is Boomin'. Yeah, so I'm going to mix the two. I'm going to tap on the Boomin', and put that on top of this. It just has a yellow undertone, whilst the other one has a rose gold bronzy thing going on. So I'm going to put pose on this side as well. Wow. I think that was just too much. Nah, sis, no. Nah, Shayla did that. Okay. I feel like I should blend this out a little. I'm going to line my lip with a brown pencil. So these are the lipsticks. It has the names here, and then Shayla x Colourpop, obviously. These are how it looks like. I'm going to take Come On Sis. I'm going to be swatching these for you. This is how it looks like. This is very beautiful. The lipsticks have this star thing on the sides. It looks so pretty. So put it on Come On Sis, the lip gloss, which is Neat Freak. And I'm going to put on Quick Heat, which is a really nude, like a bright nude. And then we have, ooh, if you know Shayla, you know that is her temp, and that is a coral nude. So this is the final look. Should you buy it? So I think the eyeshadow palette is a must-have. The lipsticks, I think you can do away with them, and then the lip gloss is really nice. It's really nice. And the highlighters, obviously, as you can see, I'm glowing, and it's the perfect glow. So those are my final thoughts, and don't forget to like, share, comment, let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you in my next video. If you haven't watched any of my videos yet, click on the subscribe button, click on the video to watch my next video. I'll see you later. Adios, bye bye.